welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video I would be sharing my planned rendering with you. And for the longest time I believe I never used to render my plans in college, because I feel it's the most tedious job. आपको furniture hatch करना पड़ता है, then you have to hatch the floor plan, then like the color, the pattern, all you need to add. So it's quite tedious. But after the 4th year when I went for internship, I learned कि actually मैं floor hatching कैसे की जाती है, and it just looks, when you take a print of it, it genuinely looks very good. So I would be sharing that with you, and I hope you like it, guys. So the very first thing is hatching the floor with a color, wherein these are some of the tones which you could use in your floor plan. Second is the furniture hatch. So in the furniture hatch is basically wherein the furniture is being highlighted, and moreover grays and whites are being used. Third thing is the pattern hatch. So patterns are of various types. Patterns could be used in the living room, patterns could be used in toilet area, patterns could be used in walkways. So these are some of the patterns which are used. So step 1 is to hatch your structural elements. Elements could be your beams, they could be your columns, they could be your walls, brick walls, partition walls. So do highlight them first because they are most important. So step number 2 is hatch the furniture. So hatch the furniture in tones of grays and whites because somewhere that gets highlighted more. And also make sure that you hatch it first because otherwise your floor hatch would be visible. So step number 3 is to hatch the floor with a color and a pattern. So I have already shown you the various colors that you could use, and the patterns could be of various types: tile pattern, hexagon pattern. That's totally of your choice, and not necessary that you always need to add a pattern. Just a color would also do, but don't add very shocking colors. Add colors which are very subtle. After all the hatching is done, do add labeling of your rooms and also the sizes. So the next thing is that you could also add elements to your plan, elements of landscape. So this, you could do this in Photoshop. Not necessary that you should do it, but try to do it, because somewhere it adds more depth to your design. It makes it realistic. So hatching definitely adds an aesthetic value to your plans, and it doesn't makes it look very plain. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you really like the video. And please do comment अगर आपको कोई भी चीज़ फील होती है, या अगर आपको कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछना हो, या आप चाहते हो मैं कोई भी टॉपिक पे कोई वीडियो करूँ, सो प्लीज़ कमेंट करिएगा. एंड थैंक यू सो मच for everything, and also subscribe to my channel, like and share, and also press the bell button. Thank you.